Welcome back to the podcast. No one wants to imagine something going wrong during an international move. You've planned for months. You packed carefully. You chose a trusted mover like SDC International Shipping. But life happens. Even with the most experienced movers and professional packing, international shipping involves variables outside of people's control. And that's why having moving insurance isn't just about financial coverage. It's about knowing that if something unexpected occurs, you have a simple, guided process to make things right. In today's episode, we'll walk you through step by step what to do if you ever need to file a claim and help SDC help make the process as smooth as possible. Step 1, stay calm and contact your SDC coordinator immediately. If you discover any damage or loss upon arrival of your shipment in Spain, notify your relocation coordinator immediately. They'll guide you on what's needed to open the claim file with our international insurance partner. The sooner you report the issue, the better. Most policies have a short reporting window, typically a few days after delivery, so prompt communication is essential to protect your eligibility. Step 2, gather evidence. Documentation is crucial to a quick and successful claim. Here is what you should prepare: photos and videos, your valued inventory list, packing list or bill of landing, and delivery receipt or notes. And here's a pro tip. Always inspect your shipment before signing off on delivery. Note any visible damage directly on the delivery paperwork. This helps support your claim later. Step 3, submit a short claim form. Your SDC coordinator will help you fill out a simple claim form, which will include the items affected, description of damage or loss, approximate replacement or repair cost, support photos, and documents. We'll handle the submission to the insurance company on your behalf. The process is designed to be transparent, fast, and easy. No confusing paperwork or back and forth emails. Step 4, let the assignment process begin. Once your claim is submitted, an insurance adjuster will review it, depending on the coverage type. For total loss insurance, they'll verify the total value of your shipment and confirm that it qualifies for complete loss. For all risk cargo insurance, they'll assess the extent of damage or partial loss and determine fair compensation or repair options. If needed, an independent appraiser may inspect certain items, but this is rare. Most claims are processed remotely using your provided documentation. And then step 5, receive your resolution. Approved claims typically result in repair or restored coverage for damaged items, replacement compensation for irreplaceable items, and reimbursement based on declared or replacement value in Spain. Most claims are settled promptly, especially when all required documentation is clear. Throughout the process, your SDC coordinator will stay in touch, ensuring you're updated and supported every step of the way. SDC is your partner in every step of the journey. At SDC International Shipping, we believe international relocation should be an adventure, not a gamble. That's why we handle every aspect: the packing, shipping, custom delivery, and yes, the insurance, with precision and care. So when you're ready to start your move, let SDC guide your journey. Call us at 844-651-7050 or visit our website today.